Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda CR-V versus the Toyota Innova Zenix. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. The CR-V is known as a versatile compact SUV, often seating 5 passengers. Meanwhile, the Innova Zenix offers more seating as a multi-purpose vehicle, typically accommodating 7 or 8. Both also provide efficient hybrid options for eco-conscious drivers. When it comes to performance, the Honda CR-V typically offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged or 2.0-liter hybrid engine, delivering up to 204 horsepower. The Innova Zenix, on the other hand, comes with a 2.0-liter petrol or hybrid engine, providing up to 186 horsepower. The Zenix also features a unibody, front-wheel drive platform, contributing to a smoother, more car-like driving experience.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more car reviews. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Inside, the Honda CR-V usually seats 5, though a 7-seater option exists in some regions. The Toyota Innova Zenix, however, is primarily designed as a 7 or 8-seater, focusing on family capacity. Both models are equipped with contemporary infotainment systems, including touchscreens and smartphone connectivity, alongside comprehensive safety suites for peace of mind. For practicality, the CR-V offers substantial cargo space, up to 39.3 cubic feet with the rear seats up, expanding to 76.5 cubic feet when folded. The Innova Zenix provides up to 1.039 liters of cargo space with its second and third rows folded. In terms of value, the CR-V generally starts around $32,000, while the Innova Zenix typically begins at approximately $35,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.